Meaning of freethinking.
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 Freethinking. The term freethinking refers to a philosophical stance that advocates for the use of reason and evidence in forming beliefs and making decisions, rather than relying on authority, tradition, or dogma. It emphasizes individual autonomy and the importance of critical inquiry and skepticism. Freethinkers hold a wide range of beliefs and values, but they share a commitment to intellectual independence and the rejection of unquestioned adherence to established norms or beliefs. Ultimately, freethinking invites people to discover and explore their own unique perspectives on the world, free from external constraints.